Good?
Yeah.
Okay, back at this. So we've got to change the hand on this. We only bring them in one hand, but it's actually latching in the wrong direction. So I'm going to take out the 2 screws, pop this out of here. Okay. I'm going to remove this inside plate. That's where I've got the large spring for up top, small spring for down below. I'm using my finger. I'm just going to pull up the deadlock, get that out of there, push down the deadlocking pin, and I'm going to come out. This is where it gets tricky because underneath here is the tiniest spring that works with a deadlocking pin, and it's very easy to come out. So you can see here, this is what needs to be flipped. So it's not held in with a clip or anything. I'm just going to push it in with my finger, grab it with the other side, and pull this plate out. Ooh, maybe. Been a while since I've done this. There we go. Okay, pull that out. There's that tiny spring. That's the one when you drop it on a terrazzo floor really sucks. So I just flipped the latch right over and put the spring back. Get it into place. So it sits in a little hole that's at the bottom. This has a notch to sit in. So I'm going to push this back down and in, and I'm going to use that to hold the spring straight. Then I'm going to replace this right in here. Get it lined up. And before it comes flying out on me, I'm going to set this back in and make sure that it's functioning the way that it should. So it's springing, doing what it needs to. Drop this in. The spring sizes are kind of obvious. Large spring goes in the large hole. Large spring does not fit in the small hole. Small spring in the small hole. This has large retainer, small retainer. Put it into place. Put my screws in. And you can see it's functioning. Put the screw in. Just change the handle.